Trinity Cyber has invented the most effective anti-hacking capability on the market, bar none, and we can prove it. Let me give you an example. In late 2023, an HR manager at a mid-sized company in Ohio was browsing the internet for an instructional manual for a program she was using. I won't use real names, so for the sake of this example, we'll call her Betsy. Betsy had just passed her mandatory cybersecurity awareness training course with flying colors. This particular search engine she used had fallen victim to search engine optimization poisoning, where sponsored results contained malicious files. After clicking the top result, which advertised an instructional PDF, she was delivered this malicious PDF. The malware in the PDF requires a user to click to execute it, and the bad guys in this case were quite imaginative, as you can see here in this screenshot of the PDF. As you can see, I've pulled this code from the PDF itself and rendered it so you can see what she saw. As anyone would, Betsy clicked what looked like a legitimate CAPTCHA, but was in fact just an image of one, and was led to a logon page asking for her Outlook credentials. She input her Outlook credentials, received an error page stating that the PDF was no longer active, and exited out thinking nothing of it. What Betsy didn't realize is that the Outlook logon page was fake, and she had just given her administrative Outlook credentials to a malicious group. These attackers were able to use her credentials to log in as her, steal sensitive documents and IP, and then set up mail forwarding rules so that all of her sensitive emails were forwarded to them. I won't go too deep into the aftermath of this breach, but as you can imagine, this was disastrous for the company and led to the exposure of employee and customer PII data. They are still dealing with the fallout from this today. The reason I am able to show you this in our customer portal is that we see attacks like this every day. What I am showing you is a real-life example of this attack being stopped on one of our customer networks. Not only are we able to fully stage and deconstruct the entire network session in line, but we can also remove, replace, or modify anything within that session to prevent attacks. There is no way to make a traditional signature of these malicious PDFs. There are no combination of strings in the PDF to make it stand out as malicious. By exposing the content and all sub-objects to our scanning engine, only Trinity Cyber can identify this as malicious. If Trinity Cyber's full content inspection and mitigation capability had been in place on Betsy's company's network, she would never have even seen the malicious PDF. We would have removed everything malicious from that PDF in line as she attempted to open it, and her company's network and data would be safe. Workforce training cannot stand up to attack techniques like this, but Trinity Cyber can and does. These particular PDF exploits are undetectable by any other capability on the market, and certainly undetectable in line. By detecting differently, we achieve far more accurate and enduring results than anyone else can achieve. The world is more dangerous than ever, and these attacks are more sophisticated than ever. The companies protecting you have never evolved their defenses. By doing it differently, we have created the only new innovation on the market that will actually protect you and your network. Place Trinity Cyber's full content inspection capability in your path to the internet today, and start preventing cyber attacks.